Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 652. Find duplicate subtrees. So the problem statement is really simple. Given the root of a binary tree, return all duplicate subtrees. For each kind of duplicate subtree, you only need to return the root node of any one of them. Okay. Two trees are duplicate if they have the same structure with the same node values. So they have also given this example in which you can see these two are the duplicate subtrees, and in the response they have given this 2424 like 24 and 4 as a node as well, because it's occurring more than once as a leaf node. So leaf node in itself is also if with the same value is also a duplicate subtree, right? So that is why we have 4 over here as well. Similarly, in this case, we have 1, 1. So we got 1 as the answer. Okay, and so on. So what we will be doing really is we just have to iterate the whole tree in a like in whatever order you want, like in pre-order, post-order, or in order. And what I want to do is I want to get a string with each node as a center, each node as a root node. Okay. And we will keep a hash map in which we will be maintaining the number of occurrences of similar kind of a string. For example, if I treated this subtree, I would have received 4, 2, and null. Okay. Similarly, in this one as well, we will get 4, 2, null, right? So this is exactly what I want to do, and we will just keep on incrementing the number of occurrences in the hash map which we'll be preparing. And at the end, when like with all the subtrees or all the subtrees which have duplicates element, we're gonna return all those trees in it. Okay. So let's start the answer. Start the coding part. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to first define a hash map in which I want to store the number of occurrences. So let's say default it, and let's take it as integer. So count is the number of like is a hash map which I'm storing to keep the number of occurrences for each subtree. Okay. So basically I'll be storing the string as a key with in order traversal, let's say, and integer will represent the number of times the same string has occurred. Next thing is I want to define a traversal nested function, and in this I'll be passing a node. Okay. So in this method, you can use whatever order traversal method which you like it, which you prefer. You can use in order, post order, pre order, whatever you want. Okay. After that, like if node is null, then in that case, I want to return a empty string. Or you can return anything else if you want to do. Like you can return any alphabet as well over here. Next thing is I want to prepare my key for the count, right? So to prepare the key, what I will be doing is I will divide the whole string into three parts. Okay. First one being traverse, like first one will be the left subpart. Okay. So in which I'll be recursively calling this traverse function. Okay. And I'm enclosing every part in this, like left and the right subpart in the brackets. In the middle, I want to use the root node, the current root node, I should say. And for the right subpart, I'll do exactly the same. This will be right. Okay. So we'll get a proper formatted strings. Now next thing is I want to update the number of occurrences of this particular key in my count hash map. Okay. So this is done. Now what we have to do is like we will check if this key has occurred exactly two times. Okay. So if count of key is equals to 2, then only I'll have to define a resultant array as well, which will be returning at the end. If it has occurred exactly two times, in that case, I want to append that node into it. Okay, so I'll be appending my current node into it. So why this is two is like exactly two is and not greater than or less than something else, because I don't want to have duplicate values in my resultant set. Okay, and you could have not updated this part over here and have kept this two, changed this two with one and have updated the value in this part in this section as well. Okay, but yeah, it's fine. I think it should also work. And at the last, I'll return my key. Okay, so once this is done, we just have to initialize the traverse method with the root node, and we will just simply return the result. This is the complete program. Let's just check out the test cases. The test cases got clear. Let's submit for further evaluation. And yeah, so the solution got accepted and we performed really well. Like we have performed 56%, 56.8% of the submitted solution. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.